They invest. To be invested about.
The law is like a mirror. When you look at the mirror and you have a problem, you will see the problem in your mirror. But the mirror will not remove that problem in you. The law applies to all. It does not matter who or who. All have to obey and confine within the rule of law. And for your information, everyone has got a right. And the right of each and everyone does not suspend other people's rights. So you confine within the rule of law. Goonism will not allow in any quarter at all, because they'll have to face full force of law. And that is the reality. So it's time to change. Wabadilishe biashara, wafanye biashara zingine kama hiyo ilikuwa ya kunism ndio walikuwa wanategemea, wabadilishe kwa watu wazuri. Kwa kama wa maskauti ya Kenya, and will go far.